spacewalk and every major repair in the International Space Station depends on this robotic arm. Without it, the entire space station could potentially be at risk, and almost nobody talks about it, so I want to explain to you why this arm is actually super cool. It's called the Canada Arm, and surprise, surprise, it was built by Canada. And it's a point of national pride. It's actually even on their $5 bill, but it's actually for a good reason. The entire Canadian space program has 0.5% of the budget that NASA does. Back in 1969, NASA invited Canada to join the International Space Shuttle program because they needed robotics experts. Canada stepped up to the challenge and created the first Canada Arm that was installed into ISS in 1981. But eventually it needed an upgrade, and this is where things get interesting. In 2001, Canada Arm 2 was installed. And when the two handed over, they did a literal cosmic handshake. The new arm is 17 meters tall and has 7 joints. For my American friends, that's 55 feet. But the coolest part about it is that it can move like an inchworm and attach anywhere that is needed in the ISS. It's not fixed in one position. That is particularly important because Canadarm is responsible for a lot of the spacewalks that we have considered to be absolutely iconic for the ISS, like this one from Canadian astronaut Chris Hadfield. But it doesn't only carry humans, it's actually incredibly strong. It can carry payloads of over 100,000 kilos, so it can help with docking space shuttles, and it was instrumental in building big parts of the ISS itself. But it's not only the astronauts that are inside the space station that can control it with laptops and joysticks. Mission controls back in Houston can take the reins and control it from Earth. So next time you see a picture of the ISS, remember to take a look at where Canadarm is, because it might just give you a clue as to what is happening in the ISS and what it's doing.